nice like that. This thing I need for making so much nice it. Wait a minute, all this plug this out. Wow. This thing is so annoying. Feel better, I feel clean. When I dress up with at least me clean. I can't but I dress up and makeup and I feel clean. Better and clean off all the nasty sitting there for me. I feel good like this, clean, fresh, brush my teeth, mouthwash, floss my teeth, scrub my body down clean, everything. I can't have a dirty feeling, you know what I mean? Feel fresh, feel clean like this, I feel good like this. Next light I plug in, because I do not sit on the wall. Alright, so I plug out till if only one. Remove the one here, somewhere else you won't see the same thing no more. Just the light inside, put apart there's a light a lot, and the wall kind of white. Feel clean now, good, the beard and fresh and so. Can't bother with the dirty feel, I feel good. At summertime, you know, you get hot and sticky and feel dirty. Feel fresh and clean, teeth brush, tongue brush, everything fresh, you know, clean and so. May I come?
Yeah, I'm a change from Little Mister to Little Dream, you feel me? Yo, I'm in there, I'm a troublemaker. Yeah, goggle them a goggle, leave you a girl, them a goggle, man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana choke, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana choke, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Marina and choke, them a play the goggle. Girl say they pretty, but you know them now. They say goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle. Come go, they me say come from the rain. Come I back to me say come to the thing. And if it is smelly and I put your pretty thing. Some girl them a talk, but they can't go back. And them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Leave choke, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana choke, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana choke, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Open like your choke, girl, tell me what you find. It's not man, I got damn bad mind. Them a try stop me like stop me all the time. Right up me say, them a apologize. If I cannot wanna and she can't get a time. Keep up your baby and they can't bad mind. But I goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Girl inna me face like a machine of a goggle. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Leave choke, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana choke, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana choke, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk and them a be take set. Goggle in them choke and that a take set. One man come and another one left. When we a talk and them one of them a miss it, them a goggle, goggle, goggle. Banana choke, girl, a goggle, goggle, goggle. Body when you have like a horse in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in her choke, them a play the good apple. Girl say they pretty, but you know them now. Let me say goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle. Come goody, goody, me say come from the ring. Come I rock, me say come do your thing. Olivet is smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk, but they goggle them a goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle. Leave choke, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana choke, girl, goggle them a goggle. Leave choke, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana choke, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana choke, girl, goggle them a goggle.
Love it, man. Hey, man, you think I shot? Olivet, the producer,
I'm a change from Little Mister to Little Dream, you feel me?
can't hold a good man down.
Yo, I'm in there.
A strong woman have to try.
I'm a troublemaker.
Strong woman have to try.
Goggle them a goggle, goggle them face like a machine. One face cockle them a cockle. Deep throat, girl, them a cockle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, cockle them a cockle. Banana throat, girl, cockle them a cockle. Them a talk and them a be texted. Cockle in them throat and that a texted. One man come and another one left. When we get to all that, them one of them a text. Them a cockle. Banana throat, girl, a cockle. Body when you have like a ass in a saddle. She said me ugly and she pretty like a model.
My youth. So say my youth, I come talk about, oh please, hey white boy. Come boy, oh please, can nobody no beg for content over here. You know me? I produce my own music now. But I go sit down till my engineer have time. I'm busy with somebody, I'm busy with my song until when he have time. Next year. I'm going to pay for it and it done already. You're going to get off this shit and don't come over here start no shit, man. I love you, man. Why are you doing this, man? I love you, man. What's up? You alright? I love you, man. Don't do this shit, man. I love everybody, you know what I mean? I love you, man. Why you giving me this one too? I give it to you, give it to me back. What's going on, my dog? I love you all. How you doing? Good? I love you, man. It's life, you know. It's just life we live in, man, you know. It ain't perfect, my dog, you know what I mean? Just go through. God give me talent. If you can't do it, just come up with it.
Yeah. I change from lady mister to lady dream, you see me?
Banana.
Yo.
I love you.
Sugar maker. Yeah. Cockle them a cockle. Deep throat, girl, them a cockle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, cockle them a cockle. Banana throat, girl, cockle them a cockle. She said me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the god. Girl said they pretty, but you know them not up. They say cockle them, they cockle. Come do they put them, they say come fathering. Come I back me say come to the thing. And if it is smelly and I put your predestined. Some girl them a talk, they can't go back. And them a cockle. Deep throat, girl, them a cockle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, cockle. Banana throat, girl, Open your throat, girl, tell me what you find. Catch no man on your damn bad mind. Them a try stop me all the time. Right up they say, them a call the time. If I cannot find her and she can't get a time, kick up every day for the damn bad mind. But I cockle. Girl inna me face like a machine want me cockle. Cockle them a cockle. Deep throat, girl, them a cockle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, cockle. Banana throat, girl, cockle. Them a talk and them a be texted. Cockle in them throat and that a texted. One man come and another one left. When we get to all that, they put that them a text. Them a cockle. Banana throat, girl, a cockle. Body when you have like a ass in a saddle. She said me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the good apple. Girl said they pretty, but you know they now up. Me say cockle, them big apple. Come goody, me say come from the ring. Yeah. I change from lady mister to lady tree, you see me? Yo. I'm in there. I'm troublemaker. Yeah. Gaggle de magaggle, gaggle de magaggle. Leave to a gal, them a gaggle de magaggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana to a gal, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana to a gal, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a muggle. Money na a show, them a play the gaggle. Gal say they pretty but you know them now. They say gaggle them, they gaggle them, they gaggle them, they gaggle. Come go they go them, they say come on the ring. Come I lock them, they say come to the thing. And if it's smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some carry them a talk, they can't go. And them a gaggle, they a gaggle, gaggle they a gaggle. Leave to a gal, them a gaggle, they a gaggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana to a gal, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana to a gal, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Google na gal to a gal, tell me what you find. Catch no man, I your damn bad mind. Them a try stop me like stop me all the time. Right up they say, them a call it time. If a girl a fun and she can't get a time, keep up your baby and them damn bad mind. But I gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Girl inna me face like a machine want be gaggle. Gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Leave to a girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana to a girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana to a girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Them a talk and them a be dead set. Gaggle in them throat and that a dead set. One man come and another one left. When me get to talk and they want that them a vex. Them a gaggle, gaggle, gaggle. Banana to a girl, a gaggle, gaggle, gaggle. Body when you have like a horse in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a muggle. Money na her throat, them a play the good apple. Girl say them pretty but you know they now up. Me say gaggle, them big apple, them big apple, them big apple. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I rock, me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but they gaggle them a gaggle, and them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Leave to a girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana to a girl, gaggle them a gaggle. Leave to a girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Banana to a girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana to a girl, gaggle them a gaggle.
Make sure I catch it on to it and share. It's gonna be a hit all over the world.
Change from lady mister to lady tree, you see me?
Really friendly, it's
Yo.
nice.
I'm in there.
Nice to dance to.
It's
funny.
Yeah.
Everything in our one, listen.
Gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Leave to a gal, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana to a gal, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana to a gal, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a muggle. Money na a show, them a play the good apple. Girl say they pretty but you know them now act. Me say gaggle them, they gaggle them, they gaggle them, they gaggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I rock, me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but they can't go up. And them a gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Leave to a girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana to a girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana to a girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Google na gal to a girl, tell me what you find. Catch no man, I your damn bad mind. Them a try stop me like stop me all the time. Right up me say, them a call it time. If a girl a fun and she can't get a time, keep up your belly and tell them goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Beef throat girl them a goggle them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle them a tackle them a tackle them a tackle them a tackle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk like them a be dead set, goggle in them throat and that a dead set. One man come and another one left. When me get the talk, they put that them a left. Them a goggle goggle goggle. Banana throat girl a goggle goggle goggle. Body when you have like a horse in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a muggle. Money in her throat, them a play the good apple. Girl say they pretty but you know they not happen. Me say goggle them big apple, them big apple, them big apple. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I rock, me say come do your thing. Olivet is smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a goggle, but they goggle them a goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat girl them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle.
I want to the idiot them, man. I know about good song. I hit song this. What I call a real hit song.
I change from name
What I call a real hit song then.
Yo,
I'm putting it away about money. Hit song this. We gotta travel the world with an outfit song.
Yeah. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Beef throat girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in her throat them a play the good apple. Girl say they pretty but you know them now. Me say goggle them big apple, them big apple, them big apple. Come goody goody, me say come from the rain. Come I rock, me say come do your thing. Olivet is smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but they can't cover. And them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Moving on your throat girl, tell me what you find. Catch no man on your damn bad mind. Them a try stop me like stop me all the time. Right up me say, them a call it time. If a girl a son and she can't get a time, kick up the baby and they can't bad mind. But I goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Girl inna me face like a me she want me tackle. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Beef throat girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk like them a be dead set. Goggle in them throat and that a dead set. One man come and another one left. When me get the talk, they put that them a left. Them a goggle, goggle, goggle. Banana throat girl a goggle, goggle, goggle. Body when you have like a horse in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a muggle. Man in her throat, them a play the good apple. Girl say they pretty but you know they not happen. Me say goggle them big apple, them big apple, them big apple. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I rock, me say come do your thing. Olivet is smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but they can't them a goggle, and them a goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat girl them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle, them a goggle. Yeah. I'm a change from little Mr. to little dream, isn't it? Yo, I them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Beef throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Money in her throat, them a play the goggle. Girl say they pretty but you know them now. Me say goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I back to me say come to the thing. Olivet is smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but they can't go on. And them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Beef throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Open up your throat girl, tell me what you find. It's not man and your damn bottom line. Them a try stop me all the time. Right up me say, them a call it time. If I tell her son and she can't get the time. Kick up every day and they can't bottom line. But I goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Girl inna me face like a machine of a goggle. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Beef throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk and they want to take set. Goggle in them throat and that a take set. One man come and another one left. When we get talk and they put that them a take. Them a goggle, goggle, goggle. Banana throat girl, a goggle, goggle, goggle. Body when you have like a ass in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in her throat, them a play the goggle. Girl say they pretty but you know they now. Let me say goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I back to me say come do your thing. Olivet is smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but they can't go on. And them a goggle, them a goggle. Beef throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle. Beef throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle.
That's good, y'all. So,
Yeah.
the man is 2-3 days for the CD ready.
I'm a change from name Mr. to Larry Dream, you see me? Yo! I'm in there! The troublemaker! Yeah! Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Beef throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in her throat, them a play the goggle. Girl say they pretty but you know they now. They say goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I back to me say come to the thing. Olivet is smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but they can't go on. And them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Beef throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle.
What's the problem?
Yeah.
Baby, so come as you are. What's the problem?
I'm a change from name Mr. to Larry Dream, you see me?
I'm not put out to nobody.
Yo!
I'm
I'm in
not
there! The troublemaker!
when you want to hear or not, this is how I am.
Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Beef throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, face like a machine of it. Goggle them a goggle. Leave throat, girl, them a goggle, Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk and them want to take set. Goggle in them throat and that a take set. One man come and another one left. When we get to talk and them what that them a left. Them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, a goggle. Body when you have like a ass in a saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a muggle. Man in a throat, them a play the good apple. Girl said they pretty but you know they now apple. Me say goggle, them big apple. Come goody, me say come from the ring. Come I walk, me say come do your thing. Olivet is smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but they goggle, them a goggle. Leave throat, girl, them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Leave throat, girl, them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle.
The gas now they got to come out, man. It's like embarrassing. Oh Lord. It's my new song releasing. No one virgin of performing like this shit. So I'm
Goggle them a goggle. Leave throat, girl, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle.
Oh, that's the part, the part that I need for the if I go to the show, stage show. Sorry.
Yeah. I change from little Mr.
I can do it for my mouth, just of course.
Yo, I'm in there now. Troublemaker. Yeah,
I know, man.
Goggle them a goggle. Leave throat, girl, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the good apple. Girl say they pretty but you know they now apple. They say goggle them big apple. Come goody, me say come from the ring. Come I walk, me say come to the thing. And if it is smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but they can't go up. And them a goggle. Leave throat, girl, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Open your throat, girl, tell me what you find. Catch nothing man, and your damn bad mind. Them a try stop me all the time. Right up me say, them a call it time. If I cannot run and she can't get that time. Kick up every day and them can't bad mind. But I goggle them a goggle. Girl inna me face like a machine of the goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Leave throat, girl, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk and them want to take set. Goggle in them throat and that a take set. One man come and another one left. When me get talk and them what that them a get. Them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, a goggle. Body when you have like a ass in a saddle. She She say me ugly and she pretty like a muggle. Man in a throat, them a play the good daggle. Some say them pretty, but you know them not up. Let me say gaggle, them big gaggle, them big gaggle, them big gaggle. Come goody goody, me say come farmering. Come aisle back, me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your bread, they sing. Some girl them a gaggle, but they gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle the girl them a gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana throat, girl a gaggle, them a gaggle. Deep throat, girl them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Banana throat, girl gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana throat, girl gaggle, them a gaggle. Wait, my nose man running. I got a brand new old woman cold or old witch or old duppy cold. A duppy cold, you know. A duppy cold. Yeah. Oh, that's me. I give you put in all of the song. Cause you have too much for the song. Couldn't hold. You have different version of it. Gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Each one gaggle them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana throat gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Deep throat gaggle them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Man spider them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana throat gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Ghana body, Ghana that coffee design a body. Girl look up back on her face looking funny. Red eyes and she looking like a damn. Ghana that's a anti. No go on. Come on, get ready. You know all this stuff you gotta learn to do, honey. Before the time comes, because you're gonna have to do it. You see, it's step by step. You know the song, you have to know the words, you have to know. It's not if you have to temperate, it's up to you, but you still have to know the sound. It's hard because you get over it after this. Gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Deep throat, we're gonna freestyle the rest. We're gonna freestyle the rest. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana throat, girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Gone to doctor for design a body. Girl come and she looking kinda funny. You realize like a donkey in a saddle, a donkey in a saddle, a donkey in a saddle. Some girl a talk but them life it a pretty. And them a go on that them want me feel sorry, but God a bless me and a that to me a hurry. Gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Deep throat girl them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Man spider them like a fool, them a tackle, them a. In time if I do it, find the same way because we're gonna eat here after the same. Yeah, but you know, say go. I'm trying to go fast, my brain enough to learn about myself, but it's okay. Yo, it's good anyway. I know the stuff on the moon. Yeah. Gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Deep throat girl them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Man spider them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana throat girl gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. on me face like a mission of the tackle. Tackle them a gaggle, tackle them a gaggle. Beef throat girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. And smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana throat girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Them a talk and they want me dead set. Gaggle in them throat and that a dead set. One man come and another one left. When we get talk and they want them a face, them a gaggle. Yeah, I'm a change from lady mistress to lady dream, isn't it? Yo, I'm in the yard. I'm troublemaker. Yeah. Gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Beef throat girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. And smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana throat girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the gaggle. Girl say they pretty but you know them now. Me say gaggle them, they gaggle them, they gaggle them, they gaggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I back to me say come do your thing. And if it is smelly and I put your producing, some girl them a talk but they can't cover. And them a gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Beef throat girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. And smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana throat girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Open up your throat girl, tell me what you find. Catch no man on your damn bad mind. Them a try stop me like stop me all the time. Right up me say, them a apologize. If I tell us one and she can't get a time, kick up your bed rate and the damn bad mind. But I gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Girl in a me face like a mission of the gaggle. Gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Beef throat girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. And smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana throat girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Them a talk and they want me dead set. Gaggle in them throat and that a dead set. One man come and another one left. When me get talk and they want them a face, them a gaggle, gaggle, gaggle. Banana throat girl, a gaggle, gaggle, gaggle. Body when you have like a ass in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a muggle. Man in a throat, them a play the good gaggle. Girl say they pretty but you know them now. Me say gaggle them, they gaggle them, they gaggle them, they gaggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I back, me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but they gaggle them a gaggle. And them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Beef throat girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Gaggle them a gaggle. Banana throat girl, gaggle them a gaggle. Beef throat girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Banana throat girl, gaggle them a gaggle. Gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana throat girl, gaggle them a gaggle. Yeah, I'm a change from lady mistress to lady dream, isn't it? Yo, I'm in the yard. I'm a troublemaker. Yeah. Gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Beef throat girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. And smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana throat girl, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the good gaggle. Girl say they pretty but you know them now. Me say gaggle them, they gaggle. them a goggle. Beef throat, girl, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Open your throat, girl, tell me what you find. Catch no man, I your damn bad mind. Them a try stop me all the time. Right up me say, them a call it time. If I tell us one and she can't get a time, get up every day, but them damn bad mind. But I goggle them a goggle. Girl inna me face like a machine up with tattoo. Goggle them a goggle. Beef throat, girl, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk and them a be dead set. Goggle in them throat and that a dead set. One man come and another one left. When me a talk and the one of them a best. Them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, a goggle. Body when you have like a horse in a saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a muggle. Man in a throat, them a play the good goggle. Girl said they pretty but you know them now. Me say goggle, them big goggle. Come goody, me say come from the ring. Come I rock, me say come to your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but they goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle.
Shit. It's been too fast. Damn. Oh.
Goggle them a goggle. Beef throat, girl, them a goggle them.
Can't do that, man. I'm a shit out of the trying to love me. I'm a shit all of this.
I'm trying to lead Mr. to lead a dream.
What's your movie in the by the time I thought when I share my shit. I'm going to spit up on the phone again.
Goggle them a goggle. Beef throat, girl, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. She said me ugly and she pretty like a muggle. Man in a throat, them a play the good goggle. Girl said they pretty but you know them now. I say goggle them big goggle. Come goody, me say come from the ring. Come I back to me say come to your thing. And if it is smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but they can't cover. And them a goggle. Beef throat, girl them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle. Open your throat, girl, tell me what you find. Catch no man and your damn bad mind. Them a try stop me all the time. Right up me say, them a call it time. If I get not gonna and she can't get a time. Kick up every day and the damn bad mind. Better goggle them a goggle. Girl inna me face like a machine up with a gun. Goggle them a goggle. Beef throat, girl, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk and them a be dead set. Goggle in them throat and She said me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in her show, them a play the good apple. Girl said them pretty, but you know them not apple. Me say goggle them big goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I want me say come to your thing. Olivet is smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk, but they girl them a talk, them a goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle.
Well, what we have here? A burden. I don't know sometimes. Well, what we have here? A bird here, Olivet? What's going on here? What's going on here, Olivet? What's going on here? What's going on? Who is out of place in this place? Hello. What's going on with that girl? I don't know, girl. I don't know. I can't tell you what's going on with Olivet. You know. I can't tell you to go with that body, girl. The spirit is different from the body. I can't tell you nothing. But anyway, how you even going good? I hope you like the song, dash it out, and, you know, like me, so me feel better, me clean, me can't sweat, I feel good. Me not feel nasty when me sweat, because my skin clean and my clothes and wash with water fresh from the so me have them on, right? So, can't with the makeup on this, me take off the lashes and something, you know. The next light not plug in, so in here kind of look dark. So that's why it may look a bit darker, but it's okay. Yeah, I love you guys. God bless you. It's just about fun, making joke. You know, try to get through another day. Have stress and problems in your life and some unhappiness sometime and all kind of bad relationship and sometimes can't find money for this, so you got a good relationship but you don't have no money, causing problem in your relationship because you can't meet your bills. So people have different things going through. So I just try to enjoy my life and just go through and just try to do the best I can and make people happy and just take it simple, just easy and relax, just take it simple, you know, goodie. Well, I haven't get much sleep from the other night, to be honest with you, because I went to bed late last night. I was playing that song so much, I love it. It's so hot, it's like catching. So I keep you going back and playing it again. You know, I'll get the rest of the stuff then tomorrow, he said, from the guy, and if not, I'm going to just try to take some picture in the morning and try to use it for the cover instead of, and just take that to them and let them use that for the cover. It's just for the single, so you guys can get it, you know what I mean? Because I don't want to wait to do a whole album to release that because I haven't put nothing out lately. And especially something that I'm doing for myself, which is, you know, good. The thing about me, you know, when I'm doing the music, I just don't do music to do music anymore. I do music to make sure it's good, you know. You know, because remember, I'm not like before. I'm more mature now in the business. I suppose I can do better songs. So that's what I try to do. It's like a hit song. This is like a really hit song, make you want to dance. It's funny to hear what I'm talking about, and it's nothing personal, you know, and so on. So it's a great song. It's a great song. You can play on the radio. The kids you see those two little kids today? Well, when I was walking, I had the thing in my ears, listening to the song, and I was singing along, and then two little girls was looking at me, and this lady, she was with the two little girls, and she said, oh, and she said, can I hear the music? And she was listening to it, the lady. So the lady take it out and put it into the little girl's ears, and she started to dance. She started to go off. She likes the music. She's a little sister. They love the music, how small they was. They love that new song. And when kids hear that and love it and I dance to it, that means they're good, you know. And she took a picture, the lady took a picture and she posted. I saw it on Instagram, so I went and shared it to Facebook. Yeah, I didn't know she find me. And so on. But God is good. Yeah, his song is nice. Yes, Goody. Thank you so much, Goody. Moses. Thank you, boo. Yeah, it sounds good. It's catchy. All I need is some nice little dancers that could dance to that. Get some bananas, lot of ripe bananas. Banana throat girl and some little basket, a banana on their head carrying that they're selling it. Little outfits, maybe like a yellow wig or something. And just do like a fun thing with that, you know. So God is going to help me that to get there, you know. Because I know you guys going to buy the CD and I could make the videos after. You know, but it's fun. It's fun and it's nice. And it's for Olivet team. It's for you guys. I don't want to let you down to feel like, oh, she ain't doing no more songs and she just stopped. No. I'm on my own now, and I'm going to do better. Because you see, I sound better now. Right? I sound better now than all the rest of the songs. Even though all the songs are good, the Calypso song is good and all that. But I sound so much better now than then, you know. And it's good that I have everything for myself. I don't have to worry about having problems with people with my music because I own it myself. And that's why I decided to do that. I think it's a smart, especially at my age. I don't want to be running behind nobody and nobody tell me what they want with me for them to do this for me or that for me. I don't need that because, you know, I'm hustling and goodies them buying cream. Some of my goodies, she sent $60 extra, one cent, $60 extra, one cent, $50 extra to make sure that, you know, I said, goodie, I'm going to go to the studio. She was like, go ahead, I buy it. And she still sent tip. So goodie, you see the song, finish, mama. Big up yourself. Love you guys a lot. Thank you for everything, you know, that you give me. They buy out all the celebrity white, only one buckle left. And somebody called and said they wanted the one buckle. So all of that is gone. And some of the extra strength one gone, a little bit left. That means I'm going to have to make more cream in about a day or two. You know, because I still have cream up, so a day or two. I still have to make more cream because all the celebrity white gone. One buckle alone left, everything sell off. God is good. So I was able to do stuff that I want to do, you know, and so on, you know, and so on. Because of you guys, you know, I'm thankful to you guys, you know. I know you're just a person like me, myself, and I know I'm not young and I'm not trying to be like 16 or 17. I'm not trying to do that. I'm just being the person I am, you know, and how I feel. And every day you're getting older, so might as well maybe I'm close my camera, antics, and have fun with it because it's not in the future I'm gonna be able to wear those clothes anymore, you know, and so on. It's just life, you know. So I just take everything as fun and just thank God to wake up and to be alive and blessing for everything and thank God for the knowledge He give you to make money. Cause if God didn't want to bless me, He wouldn't give me knowledge to even make a song like that. I mean, it's beautiful. And nobody give me the rhythm or tell me if I sing on it. I may get the rhythm, buy it, like it, purchase it, and then decide to go ahead and make the song with it. So God is good. God is with me, you know. Because everybody was waiting like, how long will you wait for your next song? Come on, you know. So finally, you know, people bothering me in the street and all that stuff, they're running to me and they never understand. Me and my people that I work with don't have any problem. We doesn't have any problem, but I left for a while last year when things wasn't too good with me. So when I called my engineer not too long ago, a couple months ago, he said he was busy with somebody else, somebody kind of like me, but in a man version of me that he was working with, and him also put on his album, so he wouldn't have time because he worked in another place also now, and so on, you know. But when he get free, I understand, but like he said, not like I'm saying I'm not working with you, I just don't know what's going on. But the problem is no, the CD that I had, that I'd gotten, I know I never bring the money in to pay for the printing, and I supposed to, but something went wrong, and something is wrong with the CDs, because when I try to play the CD the last time, when I get one strike at the song for it, and then when I go back and play the CD, nothing wasn't playing, nothing at all. So I'm saying that the radio wasn't playing, but I realized when I took it to the new studio, I realized it's blank. So those music that was on there on the last period of time, and then it just went blank, which was crazy. So the music, I never really have no music. If there was going to go blank and nothing was on the CD after a while, that is crazy. So I checked it and I was like, the guy was like, nothing on the CD, I've nearly missed your penny. All the Calypso, all them songs we have, everything, nothing on the penny is an empty CD I have. So I don't know how the CD can be wiped clean of the music. So going back and paying for that, then it was like waste of money or something, I don't know. So, you know, I seen that, I was shocked, you know. So, even that, I don't know why. So maybe other people who have it, probably the same thing happened to them. After a while, I don't know. Which is crazy. I never seen that, but I'm telling you the truth, you know. So this is different now that I have, you know. Yeah. So I don't want to sit and wait till when he's ready. I have to make myself occupy, because I have music coming up in my head. I don't want to sit here till next year, if he's ready next year. Or, you know, he gets some free time next year or whatever. It's going to be too long. I know he was waiting the time when I wasn't around. But circumstances in my life I was trying to fix, you know. I was trying to fix up my life. And I understand he's busy now, so I'm just going to go on and do my thing. That doesn't mean I'm going to forget him or give up on him, because he was there from the beginning. And he taught me a lot of stuff. But for right now, I gotta angle my stuff. In the future, if I'm gonna do something, we still gotta do it. So it doesn't make a difference. But for right now, I'm just gonna go and angle my stuff and so on, you know, because I need to keep going. Okay, I love you. I'm gonna go to my bed just now. Because I told her for days I ain't sleep that good, you know. The night I was trying to get the song ready, then I go and record it, then I'm playing it, then I'm this, and so on. So I eat a lot of food now because I only eat from yesterday a lot because I'm up and down, like when I use people's bathroom. So I don't be eating food like that when I'm going out and stuff. You know, I cooked last night, I was hungry. I only ended up getting one slice of fish because it was so late, probably like after 1 in the morning. So that's why I eat so much now. You know, because I'm really hungry from yesterday. And this morning I make no breakfast. So I eat that now, drink a lot of water, and I go lie down watch a movie or just go take some rest. I love you guys. God be with you and your family. Keep sharing. Don't let me down. Stick with me. Let's make some money out of this and help who we can help. You understand? Me have the thing, me I do my thing. I go look up for other rhythm now when I come off of this till I fall asleep, because that's my like to do. And see what else I can come up with something even better than this one. Because that's how you have to push yourself. And I love you guys, okay? Thank you for being here. Thank you for logging on over here on Olivet Smelly page. God bless you. I don't feel like I'm better off than anyone. Everybody have their talent. God give everybody the same thing. That's why if I feel like I don't want to put on makeup and I just want to wash off all the dirt and stuff, you shouldn't judge me about ugly. Because at the end of the day, I feel clean. You know, if you're wearing all this paint and these lashes and this stuff and it's so hot and it's here, you can't feel clean. If you're a clean person, you know, even if you want to drop something here and there and already you clean up, that's different, you know. But somebody, you know, they're not really a nasty person. When you're going to have on a lot of that makeup and you're going to a place and you're sweaty, you take the makeup powder and then dry up this part and pat up and make it look fresh again because that sweat off. I mean, that's too much. You know, I have to just wash it off and make myself clean. So when I want to accept me like that, I feel in business. At least I feel good, I feel clean, I feel relaxed when I sit down and talk to you. Know? I don't feel hassle and feel uncomfortable. So that's the idea, you know. So I love you guys. Good night. Enjoy your night. Say your prayers. Prayers always. And so on. Good is, remember that I'm looking for girls who we can dance good and don't mind to be in the spotlight for this video here. I not a big set of money for giving nobody them something there, but I see what I can do, work out something. I need a video for my YouTube channel and all them something. I need a good dancing. I get somebody to do the right video. You know, the right good video. So I can find out how much and then what I have to do and whatever. That would have been really nice, you know. And if you're a person who are a dancer, you just like dance, you can also dance to the song. Once you get it and tag it to me, you know. Tag it to me to the Facebook and I go right on my page. Dance in the song. Bust out the song for me, goody. Come on. As I say, goody on the farm, I ring on do anything, I make the song bust. You know, you tag it to me, I go go up and see the tagging call, the tag have to come to me first, I check it and I just accept it. And it depend. I make the sitting go viral. I bust out the thing. But I come out naked now, because you know, I can't play them something there. But you can put on your little something, you know, appropriate, like a shorts or whatever, and do your thing. You know, if you want to make up a little funny looking outfit, come with a banana or a ripe plantain. You know, your hand banana throat, girl, you know, if you stick it on your throat, you can just have it in your hand. Or you can have one girl sit down and eat ripe banana, but you know, if you stick it on your throat, you know, like teach you pitting them that way, and that way I teach them, you know what I say? And I teach you, I try to stop them from sugar on their throat. That's why we give them nickname, banana throat girl. So when the girl mess with you, say, go a banana throat and move from here. You know? A banana throat girl, if you left my man and stop banana throat man. You know, so you use it as a slang also. You know, hey girl, stop banana throat my man and move from here, so. Banana throat girl. You see me? You see when I take the injection eagle now, and I want to come broke style for you, black market and the body swell up big, and the two leg them skinny and I tell them, like I see the body you have like a ass in a saddle, in a ass in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle. Like a ass in a saddle. I want to put all of it in there like she went to design a body. But when she come back, she don't look too happy. The body look like a donkey in a saddle. But it couldn't fit everything in the song I want, because only so much a song could fit. So as you know, yeah, you know. So it's funny, like I say, you see the body when you have like a horse in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle. You know, it's a horse in a saddle, and a horse in a saddle, you know. And then pad up your slump and them, they look high out like that and the two little legs underneath. So they have the body like a horse in a saddle. So when they bother you play the song. When a girl wants to come fight, you play the song, goggle them a goggle. Google in her throat and tell me where you find. The girl catch enough man and she damn bad mind. So you have a lot to cuss a girl with. Once a girl argue with you, just put in that and play it loud, she feelings hurt. She feelings must hurt because you not have to talk. You let me do the talking and me talk. And me do the talking, you know. Me eat the food, my belly full and kind of want to sleep now, yes. I wonder for the little syrup sit and me take a little bit left in the buckle. Sometimes I never realize I forget one next buckle and it's done, you know. And it's sweet, you know. It's supposed to make your body big, but my body look not big. I want it to look like I get big when I first start, but it look like it never done much again. But we continue. It done. Get some more right. I see the girl and my mother up on YouTube, but they can make them body big. It really make you sleep good sometimes and yam more. Yam without mercy. Anyway, my love, and a good night. My love, wash no kitty and no catty and no berry. Love each other and go aisle back on a behave on yourself. You saw me put the aisle back them in the song, the man them, because I don't think so me love them. Because me always talk about una girl and left the man them. You see, but me love the man them too. Me love the man them too, you know. Me love me aisle back them too. That's why I put in a song say, come goody goody. You see, come aisle back. Come do nothing. But what me want to put there too was, he said can't fit in the song, was, what I want to put there was come, girl said no, girl said me ugly and she pretty, no, girl said me ugly and she pretty like a model. Right? And me say, come goody goody. Give them the style where you call pretty dolly. Give them the style where you call dolly model, dolly model, dolly model. You know, dolly and model, if you see a pretty, yeah, model. But everything couldn't fit me there, child. You know, me can't put everything in a one song. It can't fit more with the rhythm top. You know, me a woman to sing past the rhythm and continue singing a rhythm now, did they? So at least me have enough nerve to know, say, no, man, you can't do that. That make you really look like you need medication, child. You can't do that. So, all right, I'm going to sleep, yeah, because I need it. I'm not even have to look up my rhythm tonight. Yeah, shit. I'm going to just give up and put it after tomorrow. You know, I have to get back into this thing and get up. I want to give some money to Jamaica children who need, mother who need stuff. You know, I want to go down, they go eat some roast spread food, give some people some money and just go through and give them everything so they don't bother kill me, you know. If they will have mercy upon me that way, I don't know. But I will see you go. Yeah, I love it too, baby. So I love when you hear me tired. You gone here, be good, you gone here. Share the song, I love it. Remember, broke out panny and tag is sitting to me so I can't get it. Nice, yeah, you good them broke out panny. Nice, nice. I say make it nice. For now cook on the foot, no dance with you and I broke out nice. Broke out nice, good, it's showing pretty and nice. Make you handle like the young girl, I'm much older now, so please do it for me. Do it for me, darling. Please, me I beg you, do it for me. For me, put pepper for me, oh, pepper for me, I want you to dance the pepper for me. I want you to dance the pepper, girl. When you dance the pepper to the beat of the song, it go explode, Everybody from every country coming to see this banana throat, girl, gaggle, you have to gaggle. The song bad subtly, almost bust like scotch body pepper and a bit throat. Me gone.